Sir, the last
Kaya-
time na may expected na major na protest, I recall several retired generals reached out to you and you met them. Has the same thing happened recently?
No. So wala na pong nag-reach out ng mga retired generals. So
What do you make, sir, of yung continued noise, agitation ba ang tawag doon, na of these retired officers calling for whatever here and there?
oo. Well, yun nga, sabi nga ni SND kanina, these are just all noise. Pero sa atin po ay we will still be of assistance to the Philippine National Police. Tuloy-tuloy po yung pag-assist natin sa kanila when it comes to maintaining the peace and order, especially during activities like this, yung rallies. So for this November 16, 17, and 18, ang AFP po ay nakahanda na sumuporta sa ating Philippine National Police so that mapanatili natin yung kapayapaan and the peace and order.
Any other further questions to our Chief of Staff na hindi pa na-address kanina during the interview with the SND?
Sir, tama na yung supposed list of government officials and retired officials allegedly involved in destabilization efforts. It's being validated by the AFP.
Yes. So katulad nga po ng nabanggit ni Yusek Mayor is that the AFP, particularly the intelligence community, is looking into this because we take this seriously. Kasi nga po, pag may mga ganyan na sinasabing peace stabilization plots, syempre, ay kailangan na tignan po natin na maigi ito.
So far, sir, have we found something that really needs attention?
Sa ngayon ay hindi pa po nagre-report sa akin ang intelligence community, but they're already doing their investigation, especially dun po sa mga active members ng armed forces in the Philippines. At dun po sa listahan kasi may isa na nakalagay doon. So yun po yung talagang tinitignan natin because we want to make sure na walang active member ng armed forces who will be involved in any of these non-constitutional activities.
Sir, alam mo, hindi na natigil tong issue na to sa destabilization plot. Is it alarming po on your part? Ano bang implikasyon po sa AFP, sir?
Well, sa ngayon, of course, kailangan magmatsyag tayo. Bantayan po natin itong mga reports na ito. But sa tingin naman po namin is that these are all political, no? Kaya't kami naman sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, we are really focused on our mandate, which is to defend our archipelago, protect our sovereignty and our sovereign rights. Kaya tuloy-tuloy po yung operations ng ating mga members ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Marami tayong mga problema. Internal security operations, yung humanitarian assistance and disaster response, pag may mga bagyo, may mga earthquakes, may mga kalamidad, nandyan po ang ating armed forces. And of course, yung territorial defense. We have to really attend to those. So ito mong mga nangyayari dito sa ating bansa, nakasupport lang po kami sa Philippine National Police.
Pero alarming na ba siya, sir?
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. As far as we are concerned, yung mga rallies na ito, these are peaceful rallies. Sana nga po maging really peaceful dahil yun po ang pangako ng mga organizers na maging peaceful yung mga rally. Pero nananawagan kami sa kanila to secure, to police their ranks, to make sure na hindi po sila masingitan. Dahil may mga nagre-report po sa atin, pati na rin sa Philippine National Police na baka maaring masingitan sila. At may may mga infiltrators at baka may magpasabog ng granada. Nakakatakot po yun, ano? Yung mga peace-loving na mga kababayan natin ay baka masaktan sila sa mga ganito. So we are asking the organizers to really make sure na safe, peaceful yung kanilang mga rally. Pero nandyan po kami. We will assure them that we will be assisting them. No? Kaya nga po, sabi namin sa kasama namin ng Philippine National Police, kung meron pong mga emergencies, ay handa po kaming tumulong sa kanila.
Pero anong status mo ngayon ng AFP? Naka-red alert na yung
Hindi po tayo naka-red alert ngayon as of now.
Sir, I'm sure nakakausap niyo naman senior, junior officers, enlisted personnel. How are they taking all this noise na kuno, destabilization plots, parang seemingly agitating the armed forces?
I'm very happy to report that yung pong ating mga miyembro ng Armed Forces of the Philippines are very professional. Kaya kahit na po may mga ganitong nangyayari sa ating lipunan, we are aware of what is happening, but of course, we remain professional. So disiplinado po yung ating mga sundalo. Kaya't itong mga nananawagan po na sumama yung mga sundalo sa mga rallies o kaya sa mga panawagan nila ng kudeta, wag na po kayong umasa na ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ay gagawa ng unconstitutional activities, or we will not resort to unconstitutional means to bring about change. We will stick to the rule of law at hindi po tayo lalabag dito. Hindi tayo magpupudeta, hindi tayo military punta. Dahil ang kawabaw po ay ang ating bansa pag ginawa po namin ito.
Sir, sorry, clarify ko lang po, nabanggitin niyo kanina, may mga intel po kayo na may nagbabalak na humalo doon sa mga grupong magrarally.
Reports lang.
May mga reports.
May mga reports.
Kaya kasama natin yung Philippine National Police dito na nag-iimbestiga. And then, yun nga po, no, magdi-deploy yung ating Philippine National Police, pati na rin po ang Armed Forces of the Philippines to ensure the safety of those who will join the rallies.